Make yourself a day full of true hooray. Make a cup of coffee and ask them all to stay. All these ugly goons, all these deadly Junes. Make a cup of coffee and ask them all to stay. Make yourself a day full of true hooray. Make a cup of coffee and ask them all to stay. All these ugly goons, all these deadly Junes. Make a cup of coffee and ask them all to stay. Don't run away from your fears. Be as one with them. Don't run away from your fears. Be as one with them.
The microphone is on? Huh? The microphone is on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Welcome back, guys. We've been making a video for 5-10 minutes and the microphone was off. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, let's do that again. Welcome, guys. Bro. Nigga. Bra.
Was ist das? Der Lärm. Das ist Hip-Hop. Nigger. Nigger, was soll das denn?
Das ist sozusagen ein Lob. Ja, das heißt sowas wie Freund, Bruder, Nigger halt, Freund.
Freund.
Ja.
Nigger. Hey, Nigger.
Ah! Oh!
Wie geht's dir,
Ja,
Nigger?
tun Sie das weg. Hören Sie auf, bitte.
Warum?
Oh, ist das eklig.
Wieso, was ist denn los?
No joke. Seriously.
Seriously. You were saying in the first video what you also fucked up.
It was at this moment Jackson knew he fucked up.
We are now in the boatyard and we will go in 5 days in the water. And this is your fault. Because I told you in Canada to make an appointment to go in the water and in Germany, and then when we was here again, and now we are 1 month in the beautiful boatyard.
You don't like the sheeps and
Meh. Every morning.
I mean, there's a couple of good things about the boatyard.
Jesus Christ!
Fuck, why is it so long?
Fuck!
I got you again!
Oh my god!
We can make a barbecue whenever we want. We don't need to go to the beach to make the barbecue.
That's true. This is the Turkish barbecue. This guy will kill himself.
Yeah, I also think so. Maybe we should ask if we need some help, huh?
We are in Leros, in Greece, as it's close to Turkey. In fact, if we go just behind here, across a small mountain, you can see Turkey from here. probably 10 miles max. We'll probably go back to Levita, and we need to make a video also of that, because even if there's nothing on the island, there's this amazing restaurant.
I love this restaurant. The meat is amazing.
There's only one house, one family, and it's also like a restaurant.
And they have like 5 moorings. I think it's 5 or 6 moorings.
6 moorings? Yeah. I never saw 6 mooring before, but I would like that you point me to those 6 moorings next time, please.
The 6 moorings are very good. Hey, that's my beer.
That's my bad.
Chico, ¿qué te pasa?
Then we're going west, Samorgos, Naxos, Koufounisia, Ios, Mykonos. Before we go in the Peloponnese.
And then Corfu.
And then we go Ionian Sea.
I'm so excited. You excited?
Yeah. Will not be very excited because there's not that much wind there.
We have a small problem, mon amour.
Only one?
For now. Soon we need to shop something for eat because we don't have nothing to eat, and the monsieur broke the scooter.
Scooter, are you ready?
Now I'm pissed. I broke the scooter. Well, I broke the scooter. The scooter is broken.
T'as cassé la chaîne de mon tracteur. T'as brisé la roue de mon étendeuse. Tu ne veux plus tirer les vaches. Tu laisses la terre s'abandonner. On n'est pas fou, on n'est pas fin. On n'est pas chez nous, mais on est bien. On vit sur le bien-être social. On attend le check dans la boîte à mal. Tu es trop douce à machinerie.
Thank you, George. So of course they don't have the chain, but the young guy said, wait a minute, I will go see other shops if I can help you, or if I can find something. But it's absolutely nice. This is how Greek people are, so nice. Well, the bad news is no chain. The good news is I'll make some good exercise because I need to bicycle for 2 hours to come back.
Tu ne veux plus soigner le cochon. Tu me dis que tu t'en vas à Montréal. Prends ton bagage puis crisse ton camp. On n'est pas fou, on n'est pas fin.
Finally back.
On n'est pas chez nous, mais on est bien.
And it's broken.
Yeah, you break it.
And it's impossible to
Was not
find an 8mm chain in Greece. Maybe in Athens, they said, but nobody can order it from Athens. So
Yeah, that's it. What else we want to tell the people? That this is not just a sailing vlog.
Yeah.
It's also a vlog about our life. Then we are a crazy cute couple and we are very stupid.
yeah, that's true.
Because of that, it's always fun to watch.
That's the best thing you said today.
You're not funny, okay?
What would be nice is that you click the... Wait. Subscribe should be down the screen. No, no, yeah. Subscribe, like, and mostly leave comments.
And also, if you have some question, you write it below and we can answer the question in the comments, or we will make maybe a video about that if it's a big question for explaining something, for example.
To explain.
To explain.
Not for explaining.
I'm sorry, I'm not very good in English. I just learned it for
We
1
said
year
that-
ago.
We said that before when the microphone was
Yeah.
off.
I'm German and I speak German and Spanish and then English, and you speak...
I'm French Canadian, so I speak French and secondly English.